In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CS2 VAC Verify Error. So first thing you want to do is you want to go and open Steam. So find your CS2 game, and I'm going to do this for the Brawlhalla as an example. You can do this same steps for Counter-Strike. So you would right click and then you would click Manage, and then here you will click, you will go here and click Properties. So here you'll click Install Files and you will click Verify Integrity of Game Files. So do the same thing here, it's the same steps. So once you verify the integrity, now you can just close this down and close this down and go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here you're gonna write the following commands. So first one is DISM online cleanup image restore health. Then ipconfig flush DNS. Once you write these down, you can just close this down now, and here you will go to task manager. So make sure you try to completely close Steam. So you can close Steam by going here and just right click and click exit Steam, and make sure there's no Steam background running here. So if you find Steam here, just type in Steam and search for it. You want to make sure you right click and just end the task and go to details and do the same thing. If you find Steam software is running here, just right click and process tree. After that, restart the game and your issue is fixed.